What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about this Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. I've been using this Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 for almost 2 months now and I'm in love with these earbuds. Well, if you have watched my other videos, then you know that if I like one product, then I will buy 2 sets of that because I want to share the best with my girlfriend. So yeah, I've been using this NeoBuds Pro 2 from Edifier for the past couple of months and have bought a new one. You can see I haven't unpacked it yet. I haven't started using this one. This one is actually for my girlfriend. So that means this Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 actually performs like a monster and this one is the best in its segment. Well, we will start from unboxing. I'm not gonna go through a traditional unboxing. Let me show you what things we have got inside the box and then we will talk about the features and performance of this Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. I really like this. Look at this. Wow. And you know what? We can even change the color of the LED light. Well, Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 comes in a very nice packaging. It's simple yet a very stylistic packaging. I really like this. After opening the top lid, the first thing we are gonna get is the Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. It comes with a very good protection. Well, inside the box, we are gonna get the Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2, a very nice pouch to carry the earbuds, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a lot of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sets of ear tips. Yeah, there is one set of ear tips already installed on the earbuds. So along with that, we have 6 other different sized ear tips. So that's a great thing. We are also gonna get a manual. If you want to read through the manual, then you can. But I don't think most of the people would read through the manual. Here is everything that we are gonna get inside the box of Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. There are a few things that I really like about this Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. This one is a monster when it comes to sound quality. Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 supports LHDC 5.0 and also supports LDSE. So NeoBuds Pro 2 from Edifier actually offers master tape quality audio. If you really like to listen to music at its best, then you should try this Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. There are not many earbuds available on the market which actually supports LHDC 5.0 and also supports spatial audio. So yeah, considering the price tag of Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2, this one is definitely the king of its own kingdom. This Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 supports wideband multi-channel ANC for wider and deeper ANC. It has high-res audio wireless certification, so it offers premium sound and it supports 92 kHz 24-bit audio over Bluetooth. Also, as I've just mentioned, this one offers immersive 360-degree spatial audio with visualized head tracking. If you really want to have immersive and rich listening experience, then you should try this Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. Well, these earbuds are actually equipped with 2 drivers. There is a Knowles balanced armature driver along with a dynamic driver. So 2 drivers together offers crisp and clear sound quality. It's not only about very good lows or very good mids or very good highs. I mean, from lows to highs, everything is so very crisp and clear. I know some people may argue that I don't need that type of spectrum. I need very good lows. Yeah. This Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 also has an application, and inside the application we definitely can customize the equalizer. Yeah, there are some preset equalizers available. We can select those if we want to, but if you really want to play with the equalizer and get the best out of it, then you will be able to do that. Not only it comes with a very good set of drivers, there are 4 microphones on each of these earbuds. That means we get very good crystal clear call quality. And yeah, Edifier has developed their own noise cancelling algorithm. I mean, when we use these earbuds to make a phone call or receive a phone call, the other part always listens to a very rich and warm voice without any ambient noise. Before I talk about other features and performance, I need to mention a few things. These earbuds are very light. Each of the earbuds weighs 5.4 grams. So yeah, these earbuds are definitely one of the lightest earbuds. And not only that, Edifier has actually also done some research and developed a set of very good quality ear tips. I mean, all the ear tips they have provided are very good quality ones. They are just different sized ones. The quality of the ear tips are really very good. If you have watched my other earbuds review videos, you may have noticed that I talk about ear tips a lot because if the ear tips are not very comfortable, then it may generate fatigue. We may not feel that comfortable. We need the comfy feelings, and at the same time, if the ear tips are too soft, then it won't get a very tight seal. it will be a bit loose and there will be some leak where the ambient sound will get inside our ear groove. I think I need to say this one more time. Kudos to Edifier because they have developed a very good set of ear tips which is soft and at the same time gets a very good tight seal inside our ear groove. So I can wear these Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 hours after hours without having any discomfort. And as these gets a very good tight seal without any active noise cancellation, there is some sort of noise cancellation. It blocks the external noise. It blocks the ambient sound. And well, I know you may want to know about how good is the seal and whether they are going to drop off while we are running or not. Let's check that. 1, 2, 3. They are not going to go anywhere. They are going to sit firmly inside the ear groove. Well, talking about wearing Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 while doing workouts, can we actually take these to gym or can we wear these and do some workouts? Yeah, we definitely can because this Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 comes with IP54 dust and water resistance. So definitely this one is splash proof. Well, before I talk about sound quality and performance, let me show you that I have already reviewed like 90 different earbuds. I have more than 150 different earbuds in this studio. I'm a earbuds freak. I always buy earbuds and test those earbuds extensively. So I know what I am talking about. Oh yeah, we need to pair a set of earbuds so that we can enjoy the music listening experience. This Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 supports Google Fast Pair and it's really a very easy task to pair this set of earbuds with any smartphone. It supports both the Android and iOS world. It only requires a few taps and the earbuds gets connected within a few seconds. Well, I have already mentioned Edifier has developed their own application, Edifier Connect. Once we connect the set of earbuds with our smartphone, we have access to a lot of data, a lot of information, and we can do a lot of customization. On the first tab, it shows the battery status of the earbuds and the charging case. Talking about the battery performance, well, I have managed to squeeze 4 hours of battery life with noise cancellation and 5.5 hours of battery life without noise cancellation. Along with the charging case, it goes up to 12 hours with noise cancellation and up to 16.5 hours without noise cancellation. Talking about noise cancellation, there are 5 different noise cancellations available inside the application. We can choose from high noise cancellation, medium noise cancellation, low noise cancellation, ambient sound, which is transparency mode, and wind reduction. If we don't need any type of noise cancellation, we can select noise cancellation off. Inside the second tab of the application, we can choose between music mode, game mode, and spatial audio. In the third tab, we can select sound effect. There are 2 preset sound effects. One is classic, another is dynamic. The third option is to customize the sound effects by ourselves. Okay, finally on the fourth tab, we can change the LED light. There are 8 different preset colors available. We can choose the one that we prefer. Well, finally, it's time to talk about the most important thing, the sound quality. As there are 2 drivers inside each of the earbuds, a Knowles balanced armature driver and a 10mm dynamic driver, we are gonna get a very good sound quality. Personally, me and also my girlfriend Thea, we both like the sound signature of NeoBuds Pro 2 from Edifier. It's not like this set of earbuds offers a very good high or very good low or very good mids. There is a very good balance between all the frequencies. The lows gets a very good oomph and you will feel the bass inside your ear. It's not like you're gonna get blown away by the bass and at the same time mids or highs are very poor. It's more like you will feel the bass and then you will be also able to feel the highs. And in between, there is a very good separation, so the mids are crystal clear. I have already shown that I have tested more than 100 different earbuds and most of the earbuds fails to do one thing, very good separation. Like some of the earbuds offers very good lows, so you will feel the bass. Some of the earbuds offers very good highs, you will be able to listen to the treble. And then some of the earbuds offers very good mids, so you will be able to listen to rich and warm voice. But this set of earbuds from Edifier, this NeoBuds Pro 2, offers a very good balanced sound performance, and as it supports LHDC 5.0 LDAC, so you are gonna get a performance of master tape audio. If you're gonna listen to music, then you will feel like you are sitting in a professional studio and listening to music. For bass, I'm gonna give this NeoBuds Pro 2 9 out of 10. For me, it's 10 out of 10. You really need to try it by yourself. You really need to experience it by yourself. Words are not enough to describe how good is the performance. I know most of the people uses AAC and SBC, but LHDC is so very different. LHDC offers a lossless audio, there is no clutter, and the quality is so very high. Finally, treble. At the beginning, I was like, okay, I would give 9 out of 10 for treble. But after I've listened to some music using LHDC, well, now I am like super satisfied. I was feeling like Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 is even better than some very high quality IEMs. Yes, I have at least 3 different sets of IEMs which cost some more than $600, but in terms of definition and clarity, this Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 has actually done better than those. Period. That's the end of this video. Yeah, that should be the end of this video. Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 is the best Bluetooth wireless earbuds available on the market within its price segment. No, I'm wrong. Not within its price segment. I mean, within $300 segment, this is one of the best. Well, before we wrap up this video, there are 3 things I need to mention. Number 1, Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 supports fast charging and long playback. If we recharge this for 15 minutes, we will be able to squeeze 2 hours of playback time. Number 2, this one also has gaming mode, and in gaming mode, yeah, it supports a very low latency, so we can use Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 and start playing games without any issue. You won't feel any latency or clutter. Finally, I don't know about you, but this feature is really important for me because most of the time at night I wear these earbuds, and when I feel like I'm falling asleep, I just put this off. Yeah, Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 comes with an internal infrared sensor. The NeoBuds Pro 2 can intelligently sense the wearing state, taking off to pause music, putting on to play music. That's really a great feature. Well, that's all about this Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. I've left a link in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.